Farmers Auto Insurance. Have you gotten a quote? Have you compared them to other insurance companies? They might be a good fit for you, and so it's worth seeing if switching to them could offer you savings. Do a quote comparison. You can go to quote.com, enter your zip code. You're going to be given several car insurance quotes that you can use as a baseline. And if Farmers isn't included in those quotes that you're given, you can head to farmers.com and get an individual quote from there to compare with the others. But without being able to compare several, you really don't know what's a good quote. And if you've been with the same insurance company for a long time, you might just be used to paying the premiums, and you might not even know that you could be saving a lot of money by switching to another provider. Only way to know is to get some quotes and compare them and see. So we're going to look at Farmers today. They have insurance. They have a lot of different types of insurance. So here under their insurance tab, they have car insurance, which is really what we're going to focus on today, but they also have motorcycle, boat, collectible auto insurance. So that's something that could be kind of hard to find, but Farmers offers that. RV, ATV, motorhome, fifth wheel, travel trailer. They have insurance for all those types of vehicles. Then if you live somewhere, you probably need insurance. They have property insurance in the form of homeowners, condo, renters, mobile or manufactured home, vacation home, vacant homes, landlord, earthquake, and flood insurance. Earthquake and flood insurance are not included in your standard home insurance premiums. And if you live in a place that is prone to those natural disasters, you need separate policies, and Farmers has those. They have life insurance, they have business insurance, and they have some employee affinity type of options, auto, home, umbrella. Those are more specific to specific people in groups, not your standard personal. So if you want a quote from them, it's easy to get started. You would just enter your zip code, get a quote. You're going to answer some questions, pretty much just a standard practice, and then you can see how their quotes compare to what you're paying right now and compare to what you find on quote.com. So Farmers has been around for nearly 100 years, and it's not just for farmers. Sometimes people hear the name Farmers Insurance and they think, oh, this is for farmers. Well, it may have started that way, but it is really for everybody that lives in a place where they write policies. So car insurance, that's really our focus today. So we're going to click on learn more about car insurance. And here you'll see what everybody wants to know: how can you save? There are discounts here, multi-policy discounts for bundling. You could save 10% or more for bundling home and auto insurance. And as you know, they offer home insurance, renter's insurance, condo insurance, in addition to auto insurance. So by buying both of those policies from Farmers, you could get a discount on all your lines of coverage. And then the second thing here, save with the Signal app. That is a usage-based program that can help you save. And these programs are becoming really popular because people like policies that are customized for them. You don't want to be paying for all the risk that your crazy neighbor has. You want to pay for the risk that you have. And if you're a good driver, you shouldn't be paying as high of rates as somebody who is a dangerous driver. And so this app monitors your driving habits. And if you practice safe and good driving habits, you should see a discount. And then more car insurance discounts. We definitely want to check out what other discounts you can save with. Farmers has more than 20 discount options. So if you can't find a discount for you, I'd be surprised. So there's a bundle and save we talked about. There's a loyalty discount that applies when you renew with no more than one at-fault accident in a 12-month period. E-policy, that's where you go paperless. A lot of companies offer that. Good payer, if you have paid your bill on time for the past 12 months, you can get a discount for that. Youthful drivers. Now, this is a big deal because youth pay the highest insurance premiums. For drivers under age 25 who are living in the household and are the child or grandchild of a person who holds a farmer's auto insurance policy that's been in place for at least 12 months, your teen could get a discount, which is a big deal because teens pay high insurance premiums. On your own, this is for drivers who are under the age of 29, who were an active driver on a farmer's insurance group policy in their household for at least 12 months before moving to their own household. So if a young adult was living with their parents and had farmer's auto insurance and then they move out on their own, they can get a discount just for having been on their parents' policy. And then the Signal app, which we talked about, Affinity. This is for a primary named insured or spouse who is a member, employee, or retiree of certain businesses. So where you work or where you used to work can help you get a discount, depending. Also includes members of the military who are active duty, active reserves, retired, or honorably discharged. Then auto pay. If you set up auto pay, you'll get a discount. If you are a safe driver, you don't have a history of accidents on your record, you get a discount. And this is a big one here, also good savings for our teen drivers, is full-time students younger than 25 with a 3.0, so like a B average or greater, or on the dean's list or on a roll, or in the top 20% of their class, or homeschooled in the top 20% of standardized testing can get a discount. Students who go to school 100 miles away from home and don't have a vehicle with them can get a discount. And then households with no accidents for 60 months can get a 5-year accident-free discount. Shared family car, mature driver, defensive driver, senior driver discount, homeowner discount, pay in full discount. And then there are specific car insurance discounts by state that you can look into. And then it goes into more ways to save with your vehicle and with different motorcycle insurance discounts and other group insurance discounts, just a lot of ways to save with farmers. So when you are comparing quotes, make sure you're looking at the discounts that could apply because that could make a big difference on what you pay. And so head over to quote.com, compare rates, and if Farmers isn't one of the quotes you're given, head to Farmers, get a quote from them, see how it compares, and see if the discounts they give you are enough to make Farmers a top contender for your needs. I'm going to go over here to quote.com, and you can see how this is just a comparison of one year to another, how quickly Farmers has been growing. In 2015 to 2016, they increased their total assets from 15.6 billion to 20.1 billion. That is a significant increase of about 25%. It's a lot, and companies that grow like that, it's just an evidence that customers are choosing them more often, and that that Farmers is running a business that is working well. And here at quote.com, you can see right at the top here, you can get a free auto insurance comparison, and you can enter your zip code and get quotes right there and see how different insurance companies stack up for you and if you could be saving money by switching to a different provider.